Let's fly like superhero. Now we're climbing mountains. Yay, I want to start off of a mountain. Oh, it's 5 o'clock. Time for snacks. But what can I eat today? I hope something sugary. Mom brought Skittles for me. We can eat that as a snack, right? I'll go get them. Sit here, Mr. Bunny. Here, I brought you your size Skittles and my size. These are so good. These are my favorite. I went to Legoland. There was a roll candy vending machine. I really liked it. Press a button, you get a whole glass of candy. I really hope I had a candy machine of my own. Nah, that's not possible. That would take too much candy. I can make a candy vending machine from cardboard. Whoa! Let's do it, guys. Whoa! Oh, hi guys, welcome to Shreeya's Amazing World. Today I'm gonna make a homemade candy vending machine. So the things we need are some candy, decorative paper, and an old box. So let's get started. So the things we need, here's the box that I need for the candy vending machine. I'll take my hand cutter. So now I need to cut this much, and this much. We need to make this as it is. So kids, please do not try this at home. The cutter is very sharp. Please ask a grown-up for help. And now I'm gonna cut it. Whoa! So guys, will get a piece like this. So this will work as the side walls and this will work as the lid. Then we have to put one piece of tape here and one piece of tape here. Now put this aside. Then you need a rectangular piece and with 4 holes in them. And then you need 3 dividers to put here. Then 4 rectangular pieces for a slide. And then we need 8 rectangular pieces, 1 with a square and 1 with hot glue strip on the top. So now it'll work like this. So now that it's closed so the candy won't fall out. Now it's open, the candy will fall. So it works something like this. So now all the parts are ready. So let's make the candy machine. So now I have glued the rectangular piece with squares in it and the dividers. So now I will need these rectangles. rectangular piece and this one, I need to put it like this. So now I'm gonna put it inside. This one goes here. Done and done. This one goes right here. And this one goes right here. And now I am gonna take one of our slides. And now I need to glue them like this. Take them. And now take a piece of tape, glue, done and done. I did. And now I'll do it from this right here. Now I will do it with the other parts. Whoa, now I will take a piece of tape and put it right here on the upper part. Guys, do not put it on here or the down. Now I need to repeat it with all of them. Now it's ready, but I know it looks kind of boring. We can decorate. It's my favorite part. Let's go, guys. Now I need to cover this with paper. Now I'm gonna stick this colorful paper on our candy machine. Take this other lollipop, one dot and one dot. So now I'm gonna put it right here. Stick it. Now I'm gonna take this yummy candy cane. Now I'm gonna put this right here, and this flowers, these are flowers, put it right there, and the chocolate bar goes right here and one dot here. So then I'm gonna take this cute candy, put it right here. Then this gummy donut. Done and done. And then I'm gonna put this sticker right here. And done. So now it's time for candy. My favorite. So now I'm gonna open up my candy machine. So now I'll put my candy in. I have M&M's. These are my favorite. First I'll take this one and this one. Cut. And put it. Now the second one. Done. Now, time for my favorite Skittles. so cool. Look, there's like, this is a apple, maybe. What is this? This is something, I don't know. Now it's time for Gobstopper. Gobstopper. Okay, it's almost like M&M's. I don't know. These gumballs. I spilled some. So now, I'm gonna close it now. And I'm gonna knead these packets. Do not throw them, guys. Now I'm gonna cut the labels out from the packet and put it where I put each of the candies. So now I need to cut it. Wow! So now I have Skittles, M&M's, Runs, and Gobstopper. So now I'm gonna take my handy tape, tape it. I'm gonna tape it. So guys, our ultimate candy machine is ready. Now let's check it if it works. So I have my bell. It's ready to get loaded of candy. Now I'm gonna get some M&M's. Whoa. Done. Now I do one more. Then a bit. Whoa, lots of Skittles. Done. And I want some fruity candy. Wow, it's so big. Done. I want a bit more. Done. Guys, look at it. It's like a whole banana. This is like a small heart. And this is from the fruit version. So this is so cute. It's like a small green apple. And these are the Gobstopper. These balls. And these is the orange because it's small. So it's from Runs. Let's see where the Skittles. This is a Skittle. And this is a M&M. So I'm gonna try this banana. It's yummy. Totally like a banana, but a hard one. Now I'm gonna try this M&M. Now I'm gonna try a Skittle. So it's a yellow color. Cool. Now I'm gonna try this Gobstopper. It's so yummy. And so guys, our candy machine is ready. Stay tuned for more videos like this one. And please like, share, and subscribe and hit